Axie vastness value equivalent to $7.9876 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $7.6565, $8.0868. The earlier day close. $7.9473. The change was plus 0.0403, plus 0.51%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Axes. Axie vastness figure for April 2024. To start with, cost at $6.61. Exorbitant cost 8.14, while low cost 6.61. The normal for the month $7.24. Axie limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $7.61, change for April 15.1%. Axie limitlessness cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $7.61. Excessive cost 9.45, while low cost 7.61. The normal for the month $8.38. Axie vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $8.83, change for May 16.0%. Axie boundlessness conjecture for June 2024. Initially cost at $8.83. Excessive cost 9.49, while low cost 8.25. The normal for the month $8.86. Axie boundlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $8.87, change for June 0.5%. Axie boundlessness cost expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at $8.87. Excessive cost 9.87, while low cost 8.57. The normal for the month $9.13. Axie vastness cost figure toward the month's end $9.22, change for July 3.9%. Axie vastness figure for August 2024. To start with, cost at $9.22. Exorbitant cost 9.95, while low cost 8.65. The normal for the month $9.28. Axie boundlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.30, change for August 0.9%. Axie vastness cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at $9.30. Exorbitant cost 10.28, while low cost 8.94. The normal for the month $9.53. Axie vastness cost figure toward the month's end $9.61, change for September 3.3%. Axie vastness figure for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $9.61. Excessive cost 10.63, while low cost 9.23. The normal for the month $9.85. Axie limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $9.93, change for October 3.3%. Axie boundlessness cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at $9.93. Excessive cost 10.77, while low cost 9.37. The normal for the month $10.04. Axie vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $10.07, change for November 1.4%. Axie endlessness gauge for December 2024. To start with, cost at $10.07. Exorbitant cost 11.11, while low cost 9.65. The normal for the month $10.30. Axie boundlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $10.38, change for December 3.1%. Axie limitlessness cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at $10.38. Excessive cost 11.46, while low cost 9.96. The normal for the month $10.63. Axie vastness cost estimate toward the month's end $10.71, change for January 3.2%. Axie vastness estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at $10.71. Exorbitant cost 13.29, while low cost 10.71. The normal for the month $11.78. Axie limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $12.42, change for February 16.0%. Axie limitlessness cost expectation for WOC 2025. First and foremost, cost at $12.42. Exorbitant cost 13.75, while low cost 11.95. The normal for the month $12.74. Axie vastness cost conjecture toward the month's end $12.85, change for spring 3.5%. Axie endlessness conjecture for April 2025. To start with, cost at $12.85. Exorbitant cost 14.30, while low cost $12.42. The normal for the month $13.23. A share boundlessness cost conjecture toward the month's end $13.36, change for April 4.0%. A share boundlessness cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at $13.36. Excessive cost $14.86, while low cost $12.92. The normal for the month $13.76. A share boundlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $13.89, change for May 4.0%. A share endlessness conjecture for June 2025. In the first place cost at $13.89. Exorbitant cost $13.89, while low cost $11.48. The normal for the month $12.90. A share vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $12.34, change for June 11.2%. A share vastness cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at $12.34. Exorbitant cost $12.34, while low cost $9.64. The normal for the month $11.17. A share boundlessness cost gauge toward the month's end $10.37, change for July 16.0%. A share endlessness gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at $10.37. Exorbitant cost $12.87, while low cost $10.37. The normal for the month $11.41. A share limitlessness cost estimate toward the month's end $12.03, change for August 16.0%. A share boundlessness cost expectation for September 2025. Before all else cost at $12.03. Excessive cost $14.93, while low cost $12.03. The normal for the month $13.24. A share boundlessness cost figure toward the month's end $13.95, change for September 16.0%. A share boundlessness figure for October 2025. Initially cost at $13.95. Excessive cost $17.31, while low cost $13.95. The normal for the month $15.35. A share limitlessness cost figure toward the month's end $16.18, change for October 16.0%. A share limitlessness cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $16.18. Excessive cost $20.08, while low cost $16.18. The normal for the month $17.80. A share vastness cost gauge toward the month's end $18.77, change for November 16.0%. A share vastness gauge for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $18.77. Exorbitant cost $23.29, while low cost $18.7.